The Nike Air Max 90 Black Sapphire is set to make waves in spring 2026, bringing back one of Nike's most iconic silhouettes with a fresh and understated twist. This release stays true to the classic Air Max 90 formula, keeping the durable rubber waffle outsole, supportive midsole, and layered paneling that made the model a staple since 1990. What sets this pair apart is its sleek all-black upper, built with mesh, suede, and textured TPU, giving it a premium yet familiar feel. Subtle hits of washed sapphire on the swoosh, tongue, heel branding, and even inside the visible Max Air unit add a clean contrast without overpowering its minimalist vibe. Nike fans will appreciate how it maintains the original stance and shape while offering just enough color to stand out from past triple black versions. Expected to drop on Nike.com and select retailers, the Air Max 90 Black Sapphire is designed for collectors and everyday wearers looking for a versatile, modern classic.